Hey Daisy, can we get the toys? No, we don't want to go to toys. But Daisy, go to toys. It's very good to go. Ninja Cat, stop. Began the baby. We are going to the supermarket. We're going home. Nope, wanted to go toys. But that is final. Take me toys right now. If you don't take me toys, I will destroy the building. We're still not going toys.
Excellent return of 50 pence. I've fallen in love with it.
Ninja Cat, how dare you destroy the building? That's it. We're going home now. All right. I did destroy the building. Please, 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 please. I'm sorry. Go to back basement right now.